Aloha everybody, Tracy here. How's it? How you doing? For today, our vikio, we're going to be talking about the word hoʻolohe. E hoʻopili mai, hoʻolohe. Hoʻolohe means to listen. Lohe, the word lohe is to hear. Sometimes we hear, but we don't listen. Yeah, I'm speaking to myself. Anyways, so in this video, we're talking about the man when he was a little boy. Ikonavali ili'i, he went to Holo, and what's happening is he learns some life lessons. Some ola is life, noʻeau is wisdom. So I call it life lessons. Ola noʻeau, life wisdom, or to me, life lessons. Yeah. And so what's happening in our puke is the keiki, he goes to Holo and he encounters some sea creatures, and these sea creatures start to speak to him with their ʻōlelo. They start to speak to him, and he's like, whoa, pūʻiwa. Like, he gets really shocked, and he's like, kāhāhā, right? Because these sea creatures are speaking to him. Literally, they're speaking to him. And I like the saying that one of my friends, Steven and Kuʻuipo, say that the universe, or mama, is always speaking, might not be speaking with a voice like our voice, but are we listening? Yeah? E hoʻolohe kākou. And it's so awesome because this morning I was talking story with my mom, walaʻau, ua walaʻau māua, make kelepona, because my mom lives someplace else, right? So we stay ʻōlelo, make kelepona. And I'm talking to my mom, and I was getting a lot of those ola noʻeau. Talking to my mom, I'm like, wow. And so many times she tells me things, and this was like the second, third time she told me something. And finally, this time I went hoʻolohe. I was like, wow, inside I got it in my naʻau. The naʻau is, in my dictionary, it says intestines, bowels, guts, mind, heart, affections of the heart or mind, mood, temper, and feelings. The seat of our feelings, our naʻau, our mind, our will, our emotions. And wow, what a great way to start the day, right? Maybe kiakua, the universe, mama was speaking to me saying, okay, you're going to do your vikio today on the word hoʻolohe. And so in order to teach this lesson, you yourself, Tracie Keolalani, you must be able to hoʻolohe. And I was like, wow, that's an awesome lesson. So he learns these lessons from these sea creatures. So the first lesson he learns is from the ula makuahine, or the mama lobster. I'll show you one picture of her. There she is. And the second lesson, or the second ha'awina that he learns, or the second ola noʻeau, is from a group of iʻa, or a group of fish, right? Remember, he went holo, so there he is. And he would go hoʻoleu-pena, that's throw net. And then the third lesson that he got was from the hāʻukeʻuke, and there's the hāʻukeʻuke. Yeah, and the hāʻukeʻuke went speak to him, went ʻōlelo. He went home and he told his tūtū-grandparent, away. His tūtū-grandparent went talk to him, his grandpa, tūtū-grandparent. And my mom, my kids call her Tūtū. She's Tūtū Wahine, so how's that, yeah? For, wow, putting everything together. Oh, wonderful. So, tūtū-grandparent, there's tūtū-grandparent over there. The boy tells tūtū-grandparent, wow, Tūtū, all of these sea creatures have talked to me today. And what I like to say is that tūtū-grandparent would wrap all of his lessons, or all of those things that he had learned that day, and would put them in one nice little package, one little makana, and gave it to him. Hopefully he would carry in his naʻau to learn some lessons that he went hoʻolohe. Yeah? And so that's the lesson for today, to be able to hoʻolohe, to listen. And I hope during, right now it's Kekemapa, it's December, and I hope during this busy season for many of you that are celebrate gift giving, I hope that you will take time to pause hoʻomaha and hoʻolohe. Yeah, because there's some great ola noʻeau that are probably trying to be spoken to you to get into your own naʻau, and maybe, just maybe, you were not hoʻolohe like me. But finally this morning, my mom, Tutu, went talk to me, and she went ʻōlelo iaʻu, and I went hoʻolohe. So until we meet again, I hope you have a very wonderful day. I la maikaʻi iā ʻoe, and until we meet again, ahui hou. Aloha.